Hello everyone, welcome back to another solution video. In Unit 1, Lesson 4, Exercise 1 got you to create a program that helps us calculate the greatest common divisors between two user integers. Input integers. You may assume that the input integers will always be integers and greater than 1. So right now I set up the top comments that is required for our Python solution, and then we're going to walk through how we can code this problem. So here we go. So first off, we're going to write our import statement. Since we're doing a mathematical calculation, the greatest common divisor is actually a function that exists in the math module. So we're going to import math and use the greatest common divisor function later on in our code. But let's first work with our inputs. We need two user inputs. Num1 is integer input. Enter an integer. Num2, we're going to also input another integer. Perfect. Let's get into our processing. We can get the greatest common divisor by using math.greatest common divisor. So we're going to go result is equal to math dot. The reason I'm using math dot is because I'm going into the math module and I'm going to be accessing a function using the period, and the function is called GCD. And we're going to get num1 and num2. We're going to look at both of the numbers we inputted and grab their greatest common divisor. Let's do a little output. We can say the GCD of num1 and num2 is the result. So let's try to run this program now. We're going to enter the integer 4 and 6, and the GCD of 4 and 6 ends up being 2. So this is a really nice way to do some complex problems by using code that's already been coded for you already by Python. Later on in future sections of this course, we're going to learn how to actually make our own greatest common divisor by not using the import math method. Thank you for watching. Stay classy.